Jamie here, New England Haunter. Hope everybody's doing good. Man, countdown to Halloween. It's almost upon us. Super exciting. A little bummed out though, I'm not gonna lie, because I have been hitting Home Depot a lot recently just to see what they have on clearance and, you know, see if there's any last minute things I would grab just because it's so cheap. And it's gone. Oh, it's completely gone. I couldn't believe it. I mean, today is Monday, and Halloween is this Friday. I'm just surprised that they're already getting rid of stuff like that. And I was at another store recently, the At Home store out here, which had a pretty darn good selection this year. All of their stuff is completely gone. They did have just a few things in the front that are on clearance. Nothing good, nothing that I want. But tons and tons and tons. They have so much Christmas stuff there. It's insane, just rows upon rows. Wish they had that much Halloween stuff. But yeah, man, shutting down all around us. So I did start a haunt update a couple nights ago with testing my second fog machine. So I had them both up and running. I'm going to show that to you guys here in just a little bit. Right now, I am on my way to Spirit, because I want to get a timer for one of my other foggers. I want it to go off more frequently to kind of match the other one. So yeah, I'm going to see what they have left at my local Spirit here. So. Hey guys, Jamie here, New England Haunter. I hope everybody's having a wonderful week. Man, I keep saying it in all my videos recently. Countdown to Halloween. I'm in pretty good shape here at the house. I did test my foggers, I don't think it was last night. I think it was the night before. So I am going to show you guys some of that footage from the other night. It was a nice still night too. So the fog was looking pretty good. I got home tonight from Spirit, and my crypt dweller here was face down, and he was still moving. The back end was kind of going up. I'm like, what is going on? So after further investigation, I found that the arm that I repaired in my repair video for him, that was fine. The other one broke. And it was really super cheap screws that I had used at the time. And it is a lot of wear and tear. I mean, it's that same movement over and over and over. It looks awesome, but it doesn't surprise me that they, that it did break. So no biggie. I got in there with my my headlamp that I finally found, and yeah, I repaired that tonight. Also, I've been getting a lot of action here at the house. I'm on some of those like local fright maps that are on Facebook. Yeah, I've gotten a lot of onlookers come by the house, you know, for pictures. And I was out here tonight, actually, while I was fixing the crypt dweller. There was a nice family that pulled up, and you know, a bunch of really young children with them and stuff. It was pretty cool. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good here. I don't have a lot of stuff left to do, other than the Thunder and Lightning, which will be set up. That's already programmed into a Peekaboo controller that I use for the Thunder and Lightning. I hope I'll have a chance to go over that with you guys to show you how I do that. I get a lot of questions on that. So that one's going to be set up on Halloween. Also, if you caught my groundbreaker repair video, Gary Trooper, who will go over here in front of his tombstone. There's the Gary Trooper tombstone. I'm sure you've seen it in past videos. He's going to go right in front of there. And lastly, I'm hoping to get one more jump scare created, done, and put her here. David from Haunt at the Roxbury commented on one of my videos recently, and he called this Zombie Row. And I was like, wow, that is so cool. And he knows my love of zombies, like maybe a lot of you do that watch my channel. So I do have Pete here as my fence hanger, or fence banger rather. I got Steve, I got Walter, and I do have another one that I planned on building actually 2 years ago. So I've had her in a box, really. I used her as a static prop last year. I'm going to try to make her into some type of not a swaying zombie, but with a different movement where she jumps. I have sort of a mechanism that I've been working on for a while that it's not any sort of a pneumatic device, but it's going to look like that. I have to be careful here because I don't want to make any false promises, but I have been testing it. It's pretty awesome. If it works, I will definitely show that to you guys. So I'm hoping to get that done this week. I have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday off from work this week, and you know, this Friday is Halloween. So yeah, I do plan on, I hope I can get that done before Friday. So yeah, that'll be awesome. I'll definitely give you guys an update on that before Halloween, so you can check that out as well. Other than that, yeah, I'm in pretty good shape. I have to still do the goodie bags. My wife does help out with that as well. My daughter used to, but there's something very relaxing for me to do those. So I don't mind doing those myself. I kind of enjoy it. So yeah, I plan on doing that on Wednesday. And yeah, it's going to be a long 3 days or 2.5 days between Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Halloween during the day. I would love to get the Cauldron Creek corpsed. And if I could get that jump scare done, that would be pretty awesome. So fingers crossed. I hope everybody's having a great week and everybody's psyched for the big day, Friday night. I do hope that everybody has good weather. I know here I was a little nervous because they were saying rain Friday. But the rain is going to be at like between midnight and 2 a.m. And then it shows, I'm not going to say clear skies, it's going to be cloudy, but it shows no precipitation, you know, from that for the rest of the day on Halloween and into the night. It's going to be chilly, which, you know, you expect that this time of year in New England anyway. But yeah, so right now, unless something changes, which we're in New England, so it probably will, or there's a chance it may, but yeah, there's a pretty good chance that we should have decent weather for Halloween. So appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and we will see you guys in the next video. Have a good night, guys. Take care.